Hello, it's Maura from Do Money Like It Makes Sense. We are deconstructing our financial pyramid and we are going to do a quick overview of vehicle and home insurance today. We're spending some time on that managing your lifestyle portion of your pyramid. Get professional advice. This is an overview only, and it'll give you a couple of things, but really take some time when you're going over your policies and make sure you're getting some good advice. So protecting what you own and what you owe and protecting you against the liability. So if you have a mortgage, for instance, the financial institution is going to require you to have insurance coverage in place to protect their interest in your property. That is different than the CMHC or the Genworth mortgage insurance, which is kind of protecting the balance. This is actually protecting against damage to the property. Things to consider are flooding, overland, sewer backup, internal flooding from plumbing, leaks, fires, theft, to name a few things. Before you move, check the insurance rates. Even within the same city, rates can differ depending upon a number of factors, including the incidence of break-ins and thefts, hailstorm, and flooding in that area. If the bank thinks that protecting your home with insurance is a good idea, it's a good indication that they have measured the risk and are protecting their asset. So even if you own your home outright, protecting your assets should be on your list of priorities. And remember, there's all the furniture and all the window coverings and all the electronics and all the clothing and all the keepsakes that you've also invested time and energy in acquiring, and it's important to protect those. So even as a renter, make sure you are covered with tenants coverage. So ask about contents, liability, and additional living expenses if you have to move out temporarily, for instance. And remember that the landlord's insurance may not cover and probably will not cover anything that you own inside the property. We're moving on to vehicles, so cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, trailers, anything with wheels, basically. So again, you're protecting what you own and what you owe and protecting you against liability. Really important if there's an accident, somebody is injured or killed. You must have insurance in place to operate a vehicle. It is the law. And if you have a lien against your vehicle, so you owe money on that vehicle, there's a loan against it, the financial institution will require you to have insurance coverage in place to protect their interest in your property. And remember, as soon as you drive a vehicle off the lot, it does depreciate in value. So have a conversation with your broker about replacement cost and whether you're going to do that or not. You could be in a situation where your vehicle is a write-off and the money that you are getting paid out may not pay out the loan. Again, you're protecting against theft, fire, accidents, flooding, hail. All of those things are something to consider. So again, before you move, check the insurance rates because again, within the same city, rates can differ depending on incidents of break-ins in the area, thefts, hailstorms, floodings, wherever you are close to can change how much you're paying for insurance. And before you choose a new car, consider that some cars are more expensive to repair or more commonly stolen, and that can affect your rates. Your credit rating can also affect your ability to access the best rates and payment options. If you don't have a great credit rating, you may be stuck making an annual payment, and that means planning ahead and having that money aside rather than being able to pay monthly. Your driving record can also affect your ability to access the best rates. Deductibles, the amount of coverage you're getting, replacement coverage, liability limits can all affect your pricing. And the cheapest coverage may not always stand you in good stead when it comes to claim time. You want to be dealing with a reputable insurance coverage who is going to be behind you. So choose wisely and be prepared. That's it for today. I know it was a really quick overview, so make sure you've got what you need in place as part of your risk management protection. I know that insurance is one of those things that we want it when we need it, and we don't want to have to pay for it when we don't. Fortunately, it doesn't work that way. We've got to have it in place. After is too late. I'm Maura from Do Money Like It Makes Sense. See you next time, and thanks for watching.